Irani tea, which is close to Charminar. As well, I'm going to show you Charminar. Hey, so we are driving towards Charminar and right in the market area. And we are finding a parking space right now. So somebody just told us there's a free parking next to Charminar. So let's figure that out. And you can see Charminar right in front of me.
ऐसे तो हैदराबाद में करने और खाने को बहुत कुछ है और एक एक करके वो सब मुझे बकेट लिस्ट में टिक ऑफ करना है। बट सबसे पहले हम चार मीनार जाके नीमरा कैफे की चाय और बिस्किट खाएंगे, ऑथेंटिक पर्ल्स की शॉपिंग करेंगे, बिरयानी टेस्ट करेंगे अगर वेजिटेरियन में अच्छा ऑप्शन मिला तो। एंड आई हैव हर्ड कि वहाँ पे कुछ डेजर्ट्स के भी बहुत अच्छे ऑप्शंस हैं।
So guys, I'm at Makkah Masjid right next to Charminar and Azan is going on right here. Charminar. Once you're coming to Charminar, you're exploring historical building as well as having the fun of Hyderabadi biryani and the feel, and there are cafes around. So yeah, time to chill. Let's check out inside. Cafe finally right in front of Charminar, and it is famous for Iranian tea, sorry. So we are gonna try Iranian chai right here in Nimra Cafe. I'm gonna tell you how it is. Moving underneath the longest flyover as per the Guinness Book of World Records. This Vespraya flyover is constructed by Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority on NH7, also known as PVNR flyover. It took over 3 years and 600 crores for the construction of this 4-lane flyover which connects Mehdipatnam to Aramgarh Junction. So this is 11.7 kilometers something, and here we are.
was a wonderful city tour. A very big thank you to Pooja and Vibhor. These two are my friends staying in Hyderabad. They were working here and they took me around, helped me find out vegetarian and less spicy food options. Literally, it was very nice stay along with two of them, and they didn't want it to be a part of the videos. So my friends told me that DJ Chetas is playing tonight at Prism, and here we are. How can we miss it?